how does data extraction or even all of these technologies, how do they comply with HIPAA?
Really well. I mean, obviously, it's a core principle of the technologies themselves, and I'll refer here to Concord's approach to that because obviously everybody's is different. But for us, we've been in the healthcare market, really massively focused on healthcare for a decade. And so everything that we did to design the technology was centered on supporting a healthcare transaction. And as a result, the data that we're surfacing from the document, things like patient names, date of birth, social security numbers, medical record numbers, any of that data that we're sort of plucking out of the document is provided only to the user of that document, surfaced digitally for them to work with. And it's all in a completely secure environment, in a secure application, so that only they can see it, only they can manage it, only they can interact with it, and that it's kept away from any other sort of prying eyes or accidental routing of the document. Many of our customers actually will deploy this technology to help them achieve better compliance against their HIPAA regulations, because it's so hard to achieve those required results when you're dealing with paper and you're dealing with human manual paper-based processes. It's really tough. But when those things are digital and they're managed in a digital environment and all of those, everybody who ever touches a document, who ever views it, who ever interacts with it is all tracked and managed and audited. It becomes a lot easier to run a tight ship and make sure that you're applying the best security practices both in your practice and that obviously that the provider is designing the correct infrastructure and the correct design to the technology to support